Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to the use cases for Teams or Slack. They kind of do the same thing. So really, we've implemented Teams primarily because we're a Microsoft shop and integrates pretty nicely with Presence with other Microsoft apps. But Slack is another one. Kind of Teams is more of a Slack clone. But really, some of the use cases are when you're working on relatively complex projects where things are changing by the minute really, really quickly, and you have people that are spread across different geographical areas, which today is like everybody. You want to be able to figure out if somebody's sitting at their desk with Presence. That's also really a useful feature in Slack or Teams. But really, it kind of gives you kind of a pulse of what's going on in the company, and it also gives you really good information about where you are at this exact moment in time if you set it up correctly. So the other really nice thing about Teams or Slack for that matter is that if somebody joins a channel or is invited to view a channel, not only do they get the most current information, they get all the historical information. So in some cases, depending on what you're doing, that might be very, very useful. So one of the use cases that we have is for one of our clients is basically manages a terminal in LA Harbor, and they have a schedule, and insert your 20 million different reasons why it's going to change, right? It's like boat got delayed, shipment, weather, acts of God, whatever it happens to be. So what they would do after every shift change, because they're a 24/7 operation, right, is they would send out a mass email on this is the state of things as they are now. What they've done instead of doing that is they put them into different channels and teams so that everybody can just check the channel to figure out what's going on. So if you're interested in learning more about Teams or Slack and how we can implement it for you, please send an email to info@adscon.com. We'll put a link here. Thanks a lot for listening. If you like this information, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.